Today, Dr. Mark Peyser is receiving all this information about false arrest, crimes of the city government, capious arrest, fraud of the city government, Rudine Bull, signing as director of personnel department, Elena Zesma and the church, conspiracy to violate mandated reporting laws, and signs of a cult. I summons him to the court so he doesn't violate mandated reporting laws and misprison of treason crimes. 617-24 172 Golden Hill Street, Bridgeport. (9:30 a.m.) He has to come forward and report the crimes that he's witnessed, including aggravated assault, serious injuries that he's treated for me. Dr. Mark Peyser, you're being summoned under the United States law, U.S. Constitution. You have to come to the court, or you'll be charged with misprison of treason and conspiracy to murder. Dr. Mark Peyser, I summons you to come to my trial on June 17th, 172 Golden Hill. The address is on there. You're required to by law, doctor. Misprison of treason crimes will be charged against you if you don't report the crimes that you've witnessed. You're required to. Felony crimes and attempted murder of the government. In there you can see the fraud. When Rudine Bull terminated my employment, she signed as director of personnel. That was fraud. William Stover was the director. You know Ed Gentile, and you know the story how they use racketeering crimes of the UAW government to put me in jail, and all the school teachers violated mandated reporting laws. When you guys saw the crimes against my daughter, felony crimes of Maria C., who also was a patient of yours, you're required by law. You're required by law to report these crimes and protect me, doctor.
All right, Sam. I'll read it later.
Are you going to be there?
I don't know. I didn't even look at the...
You have to. You're required by law.
Okay.
It's my trial. They're railroading me. All the jurors agreed with the judge that they will not question his authority or go home and look up the laws, and they agreed not to have any sympathy no matter how bad they see me suffer. It's all on record.
Okay.
It's a lynch mob.
I'll take a look at it, Sam.
Thank you, doctor. I'll see you on the 17th.
Good luck to you.
I might see you this week because I'll come in and get an adjustment before my trial. I really need it. My blood pressure has been so high, he won't stop the court. I had to have the ambulance come twice last week and stop the court when my blood pressure went over 175 over 115. They recorded it when the paramedics came. They had to stop the court. It's hostile environment. I'm entitled to have 12 jurors because it's felony crimes. The judge is violating all my rights. I'm also required to be in Stanford, the district where the alleged crime committed. It's a felony to take away my right to have the trial in the district with a non-biased judge and a non-biased jury. This is a railroad job. It's a kangaroo court because they're violating all the laws and everyone is dishonest. They're hiding the crimes of Howard Graber. He should have arrested Maria C. in 2005 when she did false statements, felony crimes, and abused Kimberly. Kimberly ended up in the hospital and no one protected her. Dr. Allen didn't protect her. Dr. Jack D. Teodoro didn't protect her. And Jack Diatoro was required by law to come to the court and protect me, and you're a witness that he conspired to put me in whiting illegally and drug me, Dr. Peyser. And I love you. I do. I forgive you. I understand.
You know I always love you, Sam.
I do. And I don't hate you. I'm not hating anyone, because if they bury me in July at St. John's Cemetery, because none of you guys came to help me, I have to forgive you. If I go before my Maker with hatred in my heart, I won't get into the holy kingdom that he's promised me. I have to go there with a clean heart, and you know that. I just had to explain that to Tom Hansen, because he's conspired with Pastor Taylor and Vito Carlucci to kill me. This is a serious thing, and my daughter still suffers because you guys violated mandated reporting laws for over 20 years, doctor. You saw my hands, what they did with the handcuffs. You saw my neck. You saw my neck, how they snapped my neck. They made all those charges go away. 5 false arrests last year. They kept my $145,000 and told me to go to the bondsman to get my money back. He told me go to the judge to get my money back. They took my laptop illegally. No warrant. They took my laptop with my evidence and my cell phone. When I told the judge I need this to prove my defense, they stole it. It's crazy what they've done. They're calling me a disorderly, disruptive defendant and threatened to put me in restraints and have their lawyers represent me. They're violating my rights to have Andrew Pritchard represent me under the Judiciary Act of 1789 in Section 35 that says I have the right to a counselor or an attorney in the criminal procedures. These are all violations of my rights. They invaded my home with Tommy Jackson and Dory Jackson last year. He got killed when those Haitians were doing home invasion with Sergeant Michael Nugent and Dory Jackson. Come on, doctor. You shouldn't have let it go on this far. I love you. You've seen it all. You've seen it all. You remember me going in there with all the radio strapped to me. They never even told me how to use it. And then they wanted to charge me. I had a cell phone. I could have called them anytime. They could have called me. 1998, doctor. You saw it all. God bless you. And you also know my family. You know Maria C. You know Ed Gentile. You know Betty Kolodny. You know she violated mandated reporting laws. You're a witness to it. And you need to come to the court and tell the court what you know. If you don't, I'm arresting you. And I love you. And I'm still going to arrest you. I'm put you in jail. I'm going to take this house in the name of Jesus. And I mean that. Thank you. Well, you're not going to like it if you're in jail, doctor. God bless you. You got the date on there. I'm going to see you there.